guys, as you guys see, I'm sweating like a dog out here. We did use Kilmat. The Kilmat is actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. The adhesion is perfect. The ease of flexibility, I mean, it is by far, I think, the best probably sound deadening you can get for your dollar. And damn, it does make a difference. I sat inside the cabin and literally it sounds like there's no echo, there's no vibration, there's nothing. And that Kilmat worked great for cutting down just the sound as far as knocking goes. I could only imagine what it does for an engine sound. And this is just the first layer of sound deadening we're doing. We're gonna do one more layer after that, but that's to come. So as far as Jose's build goes, I'm still waiting on the car.